Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was bopping. For no one doing this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blonde y se cae Dolores.
Alright guys, so what we have here is a mess. A mess. So we gotta organize all this to start working. I've been busy. But you know what? This shit gotta get cleaned up. This shit gotta get organized. Alright? Stay tuned. I have Henny right there chilling. So stay tuned, guys, alright? We're gonna try to organize all this the best that I can. You know, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna organize to make another mess. So I'm cleaning it up to make a mess again. But we're gonna hopefully try to keep it, you know, keep it clean this time. Keep it organized. Look at all this. I can't even move in here. But stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right. All right. So we're getting everything out. As you can see, we got some of the bikes out here. Oh, we're taking things out. You know, getting this wall nice and, you know, fully stocked. So yeah. So right now we have the wall fully stocked up. You know, like I said, I'm gonna be selling a few items. I'm having a garage sale on about a week and a half from right now. So as you guys, you know, some things organized there just so they could look. I also got, you know, there's gonna be a couple things, you know, on the ground. You know, there's gonna be a couple things all over here. You know, some of this low ride bikes is gonna be out there in the yard. But yeah, we got majority of everything almost cleaned up, guys. I'm almost done here. As you can see, we got that motor there. Remember when I told you guys my motor blew out? So this is right here. I wanted to, you know, mess with it, open it up and see what's up, but I don't think I got time for that. So, but the Amish scooter we're gonna be working on soon. So yeah, we out. All right, guys. So we finally got everything organized, nice and clean. As you can see, now I got room to work over there. That space, this space right here to work as well. This side right here is just all the accessories, lowrider bikes, things like that. You know, I got that right there organized as well. So yeah, I'm happy. You know, we can start, you know, working on this one right here, finish this one off ASAP. But yeah, that's what we got going on, guys. Let me know what you guys think. You know, it's gonna get messy again, but you know what? I took the time out to organize all this. Especially the wall. I needed that to get filled up. You know, so yeah, so we're gonna get rid of this soon. I'm gonna take it to the homegirl. That bike, the homie's coming picking it up. The twisted one right here. We're gonna be, that was about done. This is gonna get done as well. So I'm trying to knock those off. I gotta start working on this one right here. I want to be working on the Amish scooter, and we're gonna be finishing the Paratero bike. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Look at Henny right there, just chilling with me the whole time. But we getting, like I said, we're gonna get ready to do a garage sale soon. There's all my detail stuff right here. Is what stuff that I use to clean cars. Right there. We got the bike side. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support, guys. Thank you so much.